If you take a look at the calendar, you'll see that the 4th of July has already passed. But if you take a look down Elysian Road, you'll see a small fireworks stand. This family says they plan on staying open for as long as possible.
So we're going right up to the clock, going till 11:59 today.
Aiden Wick and his family are planning on selling fireworks until the legal limit, 11:59 p.m. on July 5th. And in the past few days, they have been busy.
Started out a little bit slow in the morning because there was some big rain that came, and we were kind of worried that it might wash us out. But luckily that passed by, and sales started trickling in one after another right around noon. And then from there, it just didn't stop.
He and his family own Elysian Fireworks, a new fireworks stand on the corner of Interstate Avenue and Elysian Road. Wick says because of their grit and determination, they're going to stay open Friday night as long as the law allows.
Today we're doing a 20% flat discount, so we're trying to get rid of the rest of our inventory since today's our last day.
While some are ready to hear the loud late-night explosions fade away, others are planning to continue these celebrations this weekend. That includes Kara Boyd and her husband visiting from out of town.
We're here visiting family, and we just wanted to put on a good, fun show for the kids. They've never experienced fireworks before.
And Elysian Fireworks helps them do it.
We just want fun and colorful. This is not something we usually do.
A holiday weekend just beginning as the Westside Fireworks stand also looks ahead. Not to just this weekend, but next year.
This has been a really great learning opportunity for myself and for everyone else involved, my whole family. Not just like doing the fireworks thing, but also like getting to learn about retail in general and what it takes to start up your own business with regulations.
In Billings, Matt Carmack, MTN News.